Hazrat Amr bin Dinar narrates, the Prophet ﷺ dispatched us 300 riders while our commander-in-chief was Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu, and we were in the ambush waiting for the Quraysh caravan. So we were overtaken by extreme hunger and we even lived on the leaves. That's why it was called the Jayshul Khabat. The sea washed up a fish towards us called amber. So we continued eating its flesh for half a month and rubbing its fat on our bodies until our bodies regained their vitality. The reporter narrates, then Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu took one of its ribs, erected it, and even a rider passed through it. Amongst us there was a man who would slaughter 3 camels when the hunger overcame us. He then again slaughtered 3 camels. Then Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu prevented him from doing so. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5494.